Hello, learn Python programming. Python is a general-purpose high-level programming language. It is an open-source language, released under a GPL-compatible license. Python is used in various types of applications such as data science, machine learning, web development, image processing, game development, embedded systems and IoT, Android apps, etc. Basics. What is Python? Where to use Python? Python version history. Install Python 3. Python replace, read, evaluate, print, loop, terminal. Python idle, integrated development and learning environment. IDE for Python development. Python syntax overview. Python reserved keywords. Python variables. Variable scope in Python. Python data types. Number type. String type. Python operators. If, elif, else conditions in Python. While loop in Python. For loop in Python. Understand __main __ method in Python. Built-in error types in Python. Exception handling in Python. Assert statement in Python. Dunder / magic methods in Python. Perform database CRUD operation in Python. Read, write files in Python. Regex in Python. tkinter for GUI applications. Python, course and books. Python collections. List. List comprehensions. Tuple. Set. Dictionary. Python modules. Modules in Python. Module attributes. Packages in Python. Python package installer pip. Built-in modules in Python. OS module. SYS module. Math module. Statistics module. Collections module. Random module. Object-oriented Python. Functions in Python. Lambda functions in Python. Generator functions. Recursion in Python. Create class in Python. Inheritance in Python. Python access modifiers. Decorators in Python. @property decorator. @class method decorator. @static method decorator. Python articles. Class attributes vs instance attributes in Python. Remove duplicate items from list in Python. Remove items from a list in Python. Repair, vs str, in Python. How to sort dictionary by value in Python. Globals and locals method in Python. Convert user input to a number. Convert string to datetime in Python. How to call external commands in Python. How to count the occurrences of a list item. How to flatten list in Python. How to merge dictionaries in Python. How to pass value by reference in Python. Compare strings in Python. Convert file data to list. Python built-in